Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Calculus problems like this integral are actually super fast to solve if you know your basic rules. Let's break this down right now together. First, we need to split this integral into two separate parts. We are looking for the antiderivative of secant squared x plus the antiderivative of 1 over x squared. Let's go! The antiderivative of secant squared x is just tangent x, because the derivative of tangent is secant squared. That is a standard trig rule you should definitely memorize for your exams. Gen Z, fast, high pitch, rewrite 1 over x squared as x to the negative 2. Using the power rule, we get negative 1 over x. This makes option B correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given formulas to check your steps.